Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Rohil Shah. Today we are going to start unit number 1 of mathematics of class 10th. In this unit we will learn about the quadratic equation, forms of the quadratic equation and different method to solve the quadratic equation. Before starting this unit, we will review unit number 5 of class 9th. There we already learned about the factorization of the expression of the type ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. We already learned about the factorization of this expression. Here, if we will equate the same expression to 0, then it will becomes an equation. It means it will satisfy this equality sign, means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we are moving towards the quadratic equation. So now we will define the quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is defined as an equation which contains the square of unknown quantity. What is the unknown? Unknown is the x, because we don't know the value of the x. Therefore, it is called the unknown quantity. It is also called the variable. Unknown quantity, but no higher power. No higher power means the power of this variable should not exceed more than 2. Then it is called the quadratic equation. It is also called the second degree equation. Now we will move towards the different forms of the quadratic equation. There are two forms of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, the first form is the standard form. Standard form or general form. General form of the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A second degree equation. It is defined as a second degree equation of one variable x, means the variable this only the x, the one variable. A second degree equation in one variable x of the form where a is not equal to 0, a is not equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0 and a, b and c are the real numbers. What are the real numbers? We will define it because we already learned about the real numbers in unit number 2 in 9th class. The real number, the union of rational and irrational number is called the set of real number. This condition should be hold, and a is not equal to 0, a, b and c are the real numbers, then it is called the standard form or general form of the quadratic equation. For example, x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Here the coefficient a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant value. Here coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x square is 1 and coefficient of x is minus and plus 6. 6 is the constant, means x square. Here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the coefficient of x is minus 7 and plus 6 is the constant term. Remember that if in the same expression, if a becomes 0. If a becomes 0, then the same equation reduces to bx plus c is equal to 0. Then it will becomes a linear equation. In MCQs type, we will here we will learn about the so in MCQs linear equation, they can ask you about the linear equation. And the second form is the pure quadratic equation. What is the pure quadratic equation? In the same equation, if b, second one is the pure quadratic equation. In pure quadratic equation, in the same equation, if b is equal to 0, then the same equation becomes ax square plus c is equal to 0. This form is called the pure quadratic equation. For example, x square minus 16 equal to 0. Now we will move towards the method to solve the quadratic equation. There are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. There are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. There are three methods to solve quadratic equation. First one is the factorization, and the second one is by completing square, and the third one is using quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Later on, we will discuss in detail about this quadratic formula and how we derive this quadratic formula. In next lecture, we will solve the exercise number 1. Now let's have a review of the complete lecture. In this complete lecture, we learned about the quadratic equation, different forms of the quadratic equation, linear equation, and the methods to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.